Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully maintained 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-family house for sale. It is located in the much sought after community of Havendale, Kingston 19, St. Andrew. This house is 3,300 square feet with a lot size of 12,878 square feet. Some features include electronic gate, single carport, open living and dining, kitchen area, laundry space, etc. This house is situated in a safe and peaceful community and is centrally located, close to all Kingston and St. Andrew has to offer. You will have everything at your convenience, so do not delay. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 456.9 thousand or Jamaican $70.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.